Finding love at 50 can be challenging, but it can also be deeply rewarding. Despite past relationships or divorce, there are still opportunities to start fresh and find love. The right mindset is crucial, so stop making excuses and remove negative thoughts. Prioritize loving your life, but be careful not to let it consume everything. Put effort into your appearance and present your best self. Act confident and focus on the positives. Be aware of what you want and don't want in a partner. And be honest about the type of love you're seeking. Remember that people you meet will have a past, so be prepared to accept their baggage. Make yourself available and open to new experiences. Consider trying online dating, as it's not just for younger people. Think of age as just a number and focus on emotional and physiological compatibility, staying open to matches on both sides of the age spectrum.